Microsoft Excel Chapter 9, pages 445 through 448, protecting a worksheet and a workbook. Step number 1. To unlock the cells in the range B3 to B12. In the invoice worksheet, select the range B3 to B12. You want to unlock the cells in this range before you protect the worksheet. Click the Home tab on the ribbon, and then click the dialog box launcher in the font group. The Format Cells dialog box opens with the Font tab active. Click the Protection tab, and then click the Locked checkbox to remove the checkmark. Click OK. The cells in the range B3 to B12 are unlocked. Click cell A1 to deselect the range. Protecting a worksheet. Turn to page 446. To protect the invoice worksheet, click the Review tab, and then click the Protect Sheet button in the Changes group. You'll leave the password to unprotect the sheet box blank because you do not want to use a password. By default, users can select locked and unlocked cells, which are all of the cells in the worksheet, but they can enter or edit values only in unlocked cells. Click the OK button, and the Protect Sheet dialog box closes. The top of page 447. Click cell I14. Type the number 8. As soon as you press any key, a dialog box opens indicating that the cell is protected and cannot be modified. Click the OK button to close that warning box. Step number 3. Click cell B8. Type 8 and press Enter. The ticket quantity is updated because you allowed editing in the range B3 to B12. A user can enter and edit values in these cells. Although users can select any cell in the worksheet, they cannot make an entry in any other cell. Step number 4. On the Quick Access toolbar, click the Undo button to return the ticket quantity to 4. To protect and test the ticket data worksheet, switch to the Ticket Data worksheet. In the Changes group on the Review tab, click the Protect Sheet button. Click the OK button to accept the default set of user actions. Step number 4. Click cell A2. Type B. A dialog box opens indicating that the cell is protected and cannot be modified. All of the cells in this worksheet are protected because no cells have been unlocked. Click the OK button to close that dialog box. At the bottom of page 447, read about protecting a workbook, and then again finish the reading up on the top of page 448. When you have that finished, on page 448, go to Protect the Community Theater Workbook. In the Changes group on the Review tab, click the Protect Workbook button. The Protect Structure and Windows dialog box opens. You can choose to protect the structure, protect the windows, or both. Step number 2. Make sure the Structure checkbox is checked, the Windows checkbox is unchecked, and the Password box is blank. Click OK to protect the workbook without specifying a password. Right-click the Ticket Data Sheet tab. On the shortcut menu, notice that the Insert, Delete, Rename, Move or Copy tab color Hide and unhide commands are gray, indicating that the options that modify the worksheets are no longer available for the ticket data worksheet. So we're going to touch the ticket data worksheet and right click, and you'll notice that almost everything is ghosted out because it's protected, so you can no longer change anything. Press the escape key to close that window. Alright, let's just do at the top of page 449 to turn off worksheet protection for the invoice worksheet. Switch to the invoice worksheet. On the Review tab in the Changes group, click the Unprotect Sheet button. Worksheet protection is removed from the invoice worksheet. The button changes back to Protect Sheet button. Click Save, and you're ready to move on to your next video.